Hi, I am here today at GenTech. It's 402 East Greenway. It is my absolute favorite place to go for any computer questions. They've helped me with questions on my cell phone. They've helped me with questions on my computer. It was running slow. They increased the speed by putting a solid-state drive. Great technicians. I would like to introduce you to Debbie.
Hey, hi, I'm Debbie. I'm the teacher that started this with an amazing group of techs who today know more about tech than most of us, young people, young college students, high school students. They are the face of this company. We at this company now do computer services, virus removal, repair. We have a full tech school for kids from 5 to teens in robotics and coding, computer building, and a lot of other great, cool things. But we can answer any tech question that you have when you come in the door.